Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at creating a mock-up using Canva for your listing photos. Let's go! Okay, we're going to start off by going and opening up canva.com. And we're going to create a design. I just like to use the Instagram post size because it's high resolution and it's a square, which works best on onesies. I like to keep it as close to a square as possible. So you go down to text and add in your text box. Here you can choose your font or you can do it later. It doesn't really matter. I like this one for onesies because it's nice and bold. And today we're going to be creating a mock-up for a onesie that says, "My mom doesn't want your advice," which is right up my alley. I'm nice, I swear. Okay, I'm just going to go up here and play with the letter spacing so that the words are a bit closer together and the letters. That also helps us get more to a square shape. Okay, I'm not really sure about the capital letters here. Let's maybe try all capital letters. No, that looks like we're screaming. No good. Let's just try it with, no, let's try it with small letters. Oh, come on. Why can't I type? Okay, I like that better. So let's just resize and center on our canvas here. Okay, I'm happy with that. So let's go up to download and make sure that it's a PNG file and we check transparent background and download. There it goes. Now we're going to create another design for our listing mockup. Now it can vary depending on what platform you use, but on Etsy, I like to use the 3000 pixels by 2250 pixels. So let's find our mockup. These I just purchased, but you can also make them yourself with a blank onesie. So we'll choose the mockup we want to use and import it. And once it's loaded, we'll just drag it onto the canvas. There we go. Okay. So we'll just drag it so it covers the whole screen here. And we'll make sure it's centered. Perfect. Okay. So now we are going to upload that file that we'd made earlier. Downloads. Okay, there it is. So we'll import that in also. And we'll drag that onto our canvas as well. Okay, so I just like to close crop it here so it's easier to straighten. Okay, shrink it down a little bit, and I like to zoom in because it's a little easier to see. Okay, and I also like to put the transparency down to about 90, 95. Yeah, I think this just makes it look a little more realistic. It's not so dark that it doesn't look like the picture is not real. Okay, so rotate it a little bit and size it to the way you like it. And this I just play around with. I get it as close as possible, size-wise, and also the angle. So I think this needs to be a little bit more rotated. Yeah. And also helps too if you just kind of take a step back from the computer and look at it from another angle. And zoom out too. That looks pretty good to me. Yeah, okay, so if you are happy with that, we'll go into download. I usually just use a JPEG file. And download. And then it will be all ready for you to upload. And it looks beautiful. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed that, please like the video and subscribe for more. Next week I think I'm going to be looking at creating our own flat lay and taking pictures of your own mock-up so you can move things around and get exactly what you want. Okay, if you'd like to see that, follow along for more. Bye!